Welcome to the M3 Launchpad setup experience. Begin by moving your boxes into the room where you intend to sleep on your M3. Each box should have the same color label indicating size. Box 1. The chassis. Set aside the cutting tool and top cover. Lift the chassis pack and place it on a flat surface. Using the cutting tool, remove the outer sleeve. Now, place the chassis on your bed frame. Unroll, ensuring the M3 logo is at the foot end of the launch pad. Box 2. Independent suspension. After unboxing the coil packs, place them inside the open chassis. Using the cutting tool again, make a small incision in the inner plastic cover and allow the coils to decompress. Press down on the coils to ensure they are snug in the chassis. Now unfold the Air X cover. Locate the zipper pull at the top of the launch pad and zip to enclose your independent suspension. Box 3. Comfort layer. Remove the plastic cover and unroll with the zipper side face down. Zip the comfort layer to the chassis, starting at the top of the launch pad. Lastly, the top cover. Remove the cover, unfold, and spread over the comfort layer. Simply zip the cover to the chassis, and your M3 is ready to launch.